Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Badria Abdullahi, and I am here reporting with Renton News. I'm here with Faduma Bulale, who is an author of the two books and the third for the early learners, My Somali and English preschool activity book and My Somali and English activity book. These books are amazing for children who are born or raised here in Seattle, Washington, or America, for them to learn about their history and culture and language, which is very important, so that they can communicate better with their parents, grandparents, especially if they ever go back home. Faduma is going to tell us a little bit more. We're here with Celebrate Dia 2023, and let's get to it.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Bedria, for inviting me. I am extremely excited and very honored to be invited to Celebrate Dia, a multicultural literacy book fair for children. I'm here for my Somali language representation. I am so glad because for me, this is a topic that's dear and near to my heart for my children, for children like them who are Somali American, Somali English, Somali Norwegian. The books are both in Somali and English. The three books that I have written, an early learner book, book 1 and a book 2, they're next to each other, but you can buy any book at any time. Each one works separately and as a sequenced series. I'm excited because learning our culture is so important. Being multicultural and multilingual myself, it has been so important for me to identify and to strengthen not only my American side but my Somali side as well. How else would our children know who they are if their language it's essential, as I provide stories, as I give them Somali home cooked meals, as they have an extension to their, as they're near and close to their elder relatives. I'm also giving them that connection to their culture, to their home country, so that as they grow older they will have that connection. And what's the best connection but language? So if we give them the access to language, so on that note, I want to invite everyone to our book fair on May 29th in Tequila, at the Sullivan Center in Tequila City in Seattle, Washington. And we're excited to bring more Somali authors, more Somali books, arts and crafts, dances, as a way of bridging the connection between being American and being Somali. Thank you so much, Badria. This is the Somali ABC, and it's called Hurufta. It's how we say the alphabet in Somali, right? And we're going to count how many there are, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. In the Somali alphabet, there's 21 letters. How many are in the English?
26.
Exactly. So we have a little bit less, but we have these special letters called the vowels. So if you add them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 27. So we have one more, right? Okay, so let me tell you what they are. Ba, ta, ja, ha, kha, da, ra, sa, sha, da, a, ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. Okay, can we repeat them? Oh, that's the Arabic alphabet, but this is the Somali one, okay? Ba, ta, ja, ha, kha, da, ra, sa, sha, da, a, ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. Okay, does anybody want to read them? Okay, come on over. Khalil, you want to help? Okay, he's going to be the helper.
This one is B. This one is B. And this one is
Ta.
What's this one?
Ta.
Ja. Ja. Sha.
Ha,
Ha. Ha.
kha,
Ha. Ha. Ka. Ka. Da.
kha.
Da. Ka.
Hey, come close, hey.
Ra.
Ra,
What's this
sa,
one?
da,
Da. Da. Ra. Ra. Sa. Sha. Sha.
da,
Da. Da. Ka.
a,
Ha.
is a.
A.
Mm-hmm. Ga,
Ga.
fa,
Fa. Ka.
qa,
Ka.
ka,
Ka. La.
la,
La. Ma.
ma,
Ma. Na. Na.
hey,
Wa. Wa. Ha. Ha. Ya.
High five. Good job, guys. Good job. You want to try? Come on. Okay.
Ba.
Hey.
Ta. Ja. Qa.
Ha.
Ha. Qa. Da. Ra. Sa. Sha.
Da.
Da. A.
Uh-huh.
Ga. Fa. Qa. Ka. La. Ma. Na. Wa. Ha. Ya.
Okay, high five. So good. Okay, good job.
MashaAllah, today's event was really great. A great opportunity for kids to come and hear stories in their language. We don't see that often. And so, alhamdulillah, I think this is kind of also eye-opening for us to interact with our kids with a bit more with our language, because they're going to learn English anyways outside. And so, so this was, mashallah, really great. So thank you, Faduma, for putting this together. I hope we have more of it. We do have an event coming up too, inshallah, this the end of the month. So, and here's a mom who can speak to the importance of teaching your.
I thought it was a good event. My sister told me about it, so I'm glad to be here. It was really nice to hear the story in English and then in Somali. I have a 4-year-old son and a 13-year-old daughter, so I'll definitely be buying the books for my 4-year-old, and he loves to say mix English and Somali together, so it'll be a great book for him in the future and now as well. So thank you.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Renton News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.